Imagine this. Every single time someone on the planet hears the word iPhone, their mind instantly lights up with one powerful image. Pure luxury, jaw-dropping technology, and that unmistakable feeling of status. Imagine this. Every single time someone on the planet hears the word iPhone, their mind instantly lights up with one powerful image. Pure luxury, jaw-dropping technology, and that unmistakable feeling of status. Every September, when Apple reveals its newest model, the entire tech world stops and throws a massive celebration. But this year, the undisputed king is the breathtaking iPhone 17 Pro Max in Cosmic Orange titanium. But here's the question almost nobody ever asks. Have you ever wondered how this $1,500 masterpiece actually comes to life? Deep inside heavily guarded factories in China and India, places where regular people are strictly forbidden to enter, something magical is happening. A mind-blowing dance between robots and humans is turning raw metal into pure genius. Today, we're sneaking you behind those steel doors. Welcome to the incredible secret world of how the iPhone 17 Pro Max is born. It all starts underground. The journey begins with grade 5 titanium, the exact same ultra-strong, ultra-light metal used in Mars rovers and fighter jets. This isn't ordinary metal. It's stronger than steel, yet lighter than aluminum. Apple sources the highest grade ore from mines around the world and melts it at insane temperatures into giant blocks. When those trucks roll into the factory, nobody would ever guess what they're carrying. The future of your pocket. First stop, the CNC machining unit. Massive computer-controlled drills go to work with laser-like precision. Titanium is insanely tough, so these machines cut with tolerances thinner than a human hair. Coolant sprays everywhere to keep the metal from overheating. Out comes the raw titanium frame, still rough, but perfectly shaped for the cosmic orange beauty. After 12 to 14 hours, the dull metal transforms into that stunning sunset orange. So tough that keys or coins can't even scratch it. Now comes the real magic, the breathtaking cosmic orange color. You can't just spray paint titanium. Apple uses a high-tech process called physical vapor deposition. The frames go inside massive vacuum chambers where special gases and electric charges turn color particles into vapor that bonds at the atomic level. Robotic arms gently pick up the frame and rush it to the polishing station. Here, nano-level sandblasting turns the rough surface into a mirror-smooth finish. It's so perfect, you could almost see your reflection in it. Robotic arms gently pick up the frame and rush it to the polishing station. Here, nano-level sandblasting turns the rough surface into a mirror-smooth finish. It's so perfect, you could almost see your reflection. Conveyor belts move the circuit boards forward while robotic arms place thousands of tiny components with perfect accuracy. And then, the star of the show, Apple's own A19 Pro chip, the most powerful and efficient brain ever put in an iPhone. It's installed under a microscope because one tiny mistake and the whole phone is dead. Next comes the powerful battery, installed with special adhesive strips that make future swaps super easy. Hundreds of tiny ribbon cables are connected with surgical precision. One wrong move and the phone never turns on. Finally, the ultra-durable ceramic shield glass is lowered into place. A special waterproof seal is applied, and a giant press machine squeezes everything together with massive pressure. The phone is now completely sealed against water and dust. But we're not done yet. Every single iPhone must survive Apple's brutal testing lab. Random phones are drowned in water tanks, dropped from heights, and plugged into machines that check every single function. Camera, speaker, Face ID, 5G, everything. If even one tiny thing fails, it's rejected. The survivors get one last polish and head to the packaging line. Apple's famous white box is carefully prepared. The stunning cosmic orange iPhone 17 Pro Max is gently placed inside. The lid closes with that perfect, satisfying whoosh, and a seal is added. And just like that, a simple block of titanium has completed its incredible journey, from secret factories halfway across the world to your hand. This isn't just a phone. It's months of American innovation, precision engineering, and pure genius, all wrapped in one beautiful cosmic orange masterpiece. Next time you pull out your iPhone, remember the insane story behind it. This is how legends are made.